Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just an absolutely outstanding 1988 Ford Mustang GT, 18,000 original miles, guys, and I mean just a awesome representation of an 88 Mustang. Love the color combination. It's the original Scarlett red with the white convertible top. It's got the white leather interior. Beautiful car, man. I actually bought this car out in Arizona when I was out there, but it's actually a original Marietta, Georgia car that looks like it went to North Carolina. I get a lot of paperwork, original owner's manuals and stuff like that for the car. Clean Carfax. Previous owner said the car's got the majority of the original paint still on it. Again, original color combination, which I love. It's got an aftermarket set of chrome wheels and tires on it. I've got the factory turbine aluminum wheels with tires that go with the car as well. There's a bra that goes with the car. We don't have that in the pictures and stuff, but remind me of that. We'll make sure that gets in the car. But very, very nice car. True 5.0 Mustang GT Convertible. I've been trying to buy as many of these as I can. Love these cars. Kind of grew up with them. And I think they're just super cool. And they really seem to be coming on in popularity. You can see the headlights are nice and clear. This is where I know they've done some paint work up here. I could see that. Not that it's sticking out like a sore thumb, but you can definitely see that they've kind of, probably some stone pecks or something they've touched up there. But nice. I mean, it's not like the car's got paint work all over. It is a clean Carfax. It still has the little stickers in the door jambs and in the hood. So it's got all the original body panels still on it. But very, very nice car, guys. If you're looking for a slick Mustang GT, I think you're going to love this car. I think it has all the original glass. I know the side glass has all the car light stuff on it. Top's in great shape. See yeah, it's got all the little car light sticker logos on the glass. Love this color combination. It's the first thing that jumped out to me. This color really pops. Factory luggage rack. And again, as you look at a lot of times when you look at these cars, this car really shows that it's a low mileage car. All that trim and stuff is very nice. I forgot to shut her door there. Again, I've got the factory wheels that go with it. A lot of paperwork, original owner's manuals, original sales receipt, build sheet. Good looking set of aluminum wheels. And again, the originals, wheels and tires go with the car. It's got Toyo rubber. Just like it would have came, factory 5.0, fuel-injected engine. It's got factory air, power steering, power disc brakes. Again, it's got all the original stickers in there where they're supposed to be. Pretty little car. Air blows combed. This car just pops, man. It's got slick paint. I mean, this is a pretty car. Somebody has definitely kept this car very well maintained. Again, like I say, look at that grade a lot of time. I mean, I look at a ton of these cars, and most of the time they're faded and just hot rodded to death. You know, if you've looked at them. I mean, all this stuff is very, very nice, as it should be. That's why I like buying these cars with low miles. You know, I've opened these door handles, and these door handles broke before. I mean, you can see how nice and clean those door skins are. Power windows, power locks, power lumbar seats. Factory bucket seats, console, automatic overdrive transmission, all factory dash. It's power top. It works real well. Looks like it's got all the power or dual remote mirrors, cruise control. Again, all the factory dash, 18,179 miles, factory tach and gauges, stock radio, AM, FM cassette. It works. Again, the air blows cold. The cat's forward look original to me. It looks like a centerpiece. They put an H-pipe in the dual exhaust. I don't believe that was factory. Other than that, I think the factory tips and everything. Again, one of the original stickers is in there. But the exhaust tips and stuff, I think that stuff's all factory. This is a parade boot for the top. Also, it's got the glass rear window. Again, original owner's manuals, and then like I say, he has the original sales order, build sheet, copy of the title, window sticker, just some little receipts and stuff like that. Again, clean Carfax on the car. Really nice. Literally the day after I bought this one, I looked at another one, a red one, with 50,000 miles on it, and it looked like it had about 150,000. This car is just slick as can be. Clean on the bottom. Yeah, nice clean door skins. Everything seems to work on the car. Even these, look how nice these are. I've looked at these things and they're all busted up from people getting in and out of the car and just abusing them. Seats are really nice. Again, that dash is really nice. Nope, it's on this side over here. Just do that in the last video. We'll rush it. You go ahead and shut it off. These cars have door props or hood props. Can you shut that hood for me, Eddie? Shut the hood for me, please. You can hear the door buzzer works, tach, all the gauges work. Give it a little rev, Mike. Great sound. You should be able to just click that radio on right there. It works. Yep. Easy. Yep. It works. Oh man. Wipers. Fog lights work. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. That is a little sweetheart right there. If you're looking for a nice Mustang GT, it's gonna be hard to find a nicer one than that. That is a killer little car. I love that color combination.